Okay friends, open your settings application from the menu. Then select Bluetooth. Now you can see here my T200 Lite is connected. Open that I button. Then you can see option of device volume synchronization. Tap on it. Now you are successfully turned on device volume synchronization. That means your Bluetooth earbuds and your phone playing sounds with the same level of volume. I don't like this feature because whenever we use our mobile phone speaker, we used to hear 80 or 90 percentage. But whenever we use earbuds, we prefer, uh, especially for me, I prefer to hear the volume below 60 percentage or 60 to 70 percentage. Okay, so if you turn on this feature, your Bluetooth earbuds work with the same volume level of mobile phone. So I don't recommend this feature, but if you need, you can turn on this feature in this way. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.